What's up mga ka-idol? So ayun na nga, andito tayo ngayon sa airport para magsundo ng ating bagong kasamahan na magtatrabaho sa aming kampanya. So exactly 6:30, I think dumating na kami sa airport at tinek namin kung nakalapag na ba yung aeroplano na sinakyan na. Unfortunately, andyan nakalapag na pala sila. Hindi namin alam na nasa labas na pala sila kasi ang nakalagay lang doon sa is nasa on gate na sila. So ayan, 'di ba? Parang isang batalyon ang dami namin nagsundo. Kasi right after namin dito sa airport is pupunta kami doon sa Katif Happy Eye Hospitality kasi doon kami mag-dinner. Supposedly, marami kami niyan and unfortunately, yung iba naming kasama hindi na kasama kasi meron kaming urgent na trabaho. So, ayun na nga, nasa na kami labas ng airport at papunta na kami doon sa Katif Hospitality Palace. Kasi as per them, sabi ng mga kasamahan ko, masarap daw dito yung pagkain. So we decided na dito lang kami mag-stop over and kain ng aming dinner. Accordingly, yung Katif Hospitality Palace is famed for its walima. So it's low-cooked lamb meat and spices served on flavor. And when it comes to prices, affordable naman siya. I mean, it's not that expensive, pero worth it naman kasi masarap naman talaga ang pagkain nila. Actually, yung in-order namin is yung mandi walima sa Katif Hospitality Palace. So, it is actually one of the amazing experiences I have had here in Saudi Arabia. And FYI, it is a must-have if you live here in the eastern province, especially sa Jubail. So, the rice is cooked well and fluffy, and the only greasy bit is the meat itself. Pero masarap pa din siya. It is actually perfectly slow-cooked Sudani lamb, sourced locally and cooked in their secret spices. When it comes naman sa staff nila, mababait naman sila at saka approachable. So, kung pupunta kayo dito sa Katif, so please visit this place. You will really have a great experience indeed. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.